This is Panda and Diego's F1B Golden Doodle litter. There's our black male. And this is Sable Party male. And there's the brown and white party male. He's staying here. Why'd you lay down? And what are you doing over there? Come on, Bubba. You're sitting there being a good boy. What are you smelling? Are you peeing, buddy? Nope, he didn't. Hi, buddy. Uh-oh. What are you doing? Looky. Say hi to Mommy. Look here, bub. Uh-oh. He's going to the bathroom now. Maybe he's just finishing. Are you going to?